Now, Mr. Wolf, we're here today to talk about your anger issues. Does that sound agreeable to you? Good. Okay, let's begin then. I want you to take a deep breath, relax. No huffing or puffing, okay? Relax. I want you to go to your happy place, somewhere you feel comfortable, safe. You're relaxed. Okay now? Little Red Riding Hood is here. Now just relax, Mr. Wolf. Miss Hood is just a carefree girl who decided to go for a solitary stroll. Remember, she is not a meal. Not a meal. Not a meal.
Don't I look delicious?
Not a meal.
I've been really trying, baby. Trying to hold back this feeling.
Okay, let's just stop for a minute. I can see maybe we went too far too fast. We're gonna try something a little different. Let's go to Grandma's house. Sweet, lovable Grandma. No, you didn't eat Grandma already, okay? Let's just back up. You're having a nice time with Grandma. Playing dominoes. Yes, a nice friendly game of dominoes.
Milk and cookies, Mr. Wolf?
I've been really trying, baby.
Mr. Wolf, please, let's just... You know what? I want you to do something. I have this toy chest. I want you to choose a toy from it. This will be your journey token, okay? Anytime you feel stressed or anxious or maybe a little out of control, I want you to squeeze your journey token. Good. Now let's get back to that orchard. Okay, remember, we're relaxed. We're in our happy place. Now here comes Little Red Riding Hood. I want you to remember that she's a person with feelings and emotions. Hello, stranger. Are you picking oranges too? I can't tell if you're saying words or clearing your throat. You're funny. Okay, well, I must be getting going. Goodbye, Mr. Hairy Stranger Dude. Great. That's great. We just made progress. You see? This is so encouraging.